It's wrong. If you want to implement these conditions inside the function, you should write it here. I think I should explain this on this one, because this is the common mistake I see. Now you need to know this, that if you write a function like this, def, and then the function name of function, okay, and then you close this one parenthesis. If you want to apply or implement conditional statement inside the function, inside the function, you need to write here, okay, if this thing, let's say mode equal something, XYZ, then return this. You need to write this if condition inside this function. But if you write this if here, then Python won't understand that this is inside the function. Okay? If you write if here and here, you define function here, then Python will not understand that the function is inside the if condition is inside the function. The same goes for the loop. Okay, let's say you want to apply for loop inside the function. You need to write here for or while, any function. So this loop will be inside this function. But if you write it here for or while, this will be outside the function. Okay, this is very common mistake most of the students are repeating. And then we have another concept, nested loop. Nested loop. Let me write down this. Nested, nested loop. This is your homework, okay? Study this one. Nested loop. Loop inside a loop. Okay. Like we have, let's say you implemented one for loop here, and then you have another loop. You have another loop. Okay. So loop inside another loop. We will see some example why we use this one. So you need to take care of these things in Python. It's quite important, okay? It's very, very important. The indentation, the loops inside a function, the if conditions inside or outside.